Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Genesis War game not working or keep stopping, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart. So this will restart your phone once your phone restarts. Now try to open the game and check whether the game is launching or not. If not, next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Genesis War game and check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. Next method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is not fluctuating and is stable. If you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then launch the game and check. Next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage option, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, launch the game once again and then check if it's working. If not, then you are suggested to install a VPN app. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of it. After installing it, log into it, change the location, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, you should check if your phone system update needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you will find if there is any update available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. After doing this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Genesis War game and finally click on the install option, and once it is installed, launch the game and check. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.